Today I just want to speak about Tesla's Q3 2020 earnings, where they've smashed it again, 5th consecutive profits quarter. And in this video, not only sharing the earnings, but I want to show you my fundamental research and also my technical research on whether Tesla is a buy, where is it heading, and if it does fall, where should we stop. So stick with me on this video and I'm sure it will benefit you, and see you soon. Hello, welcome back to Family Investment. My name is Alex Ko, and today I just want to speak about Tesla, everybody's favorite stock. Tesla is not just about producing cars, not just about Elon Musk, but it's also about moving towards renewable, quality battery cars, and potentially the future might be self-driving. And only one man called Mr. Elon Musk is really impressing us year after year, quarter after quarter. Tesla's earnings is mind-blowing. So Tesla is up 3 to 4%. It was sitting about $422. It's almost going sideways. Technical charts show that it's going to pop, but no, now it's up about 3 to 4%. So as you can see, the EPS adjusted 57 cents was the target, but it went 76. Boom. And then the revenue expected was 8.36 billion, but it came in 8.77 billion. Wow, impressive. And also 139,000, so about 140,000 vehicles delivered for this quarter. And what made it really attractive was the fact that Elon Musk or Tesla, as is stipulated again and again and again, they are going for the 500,000 cars target for 2020. And remember, in the first two quarters, it was about 80, now 140. So we've got a balance of 200,000 vehicles to be delivered for Q4. Yes, you know, they've done work so hard for 140, but now they have to deliver 200,000 cars for Q4s. And also in the earnings, it's not just about the great numbers, but the liquidity is good. Liquidity is basically cash. Free cash flow is great. 1.4 billion compared to 4.18 million last quarter. I remember last quarter's earning, it was just nuts. A few days ago, they bought a second German auto supplier, ATW, that specialized in battery assembly, for 135 million takeover. They call it merger, but it's obviously a takeover. So Tesla are just buying up companies just to speed up their research, R&D, and also to boost the productivity. Another thing that was impressive is gross margin. Gross margin actually went up from 18.7% to 23.7%. So it shows the efficiency of the car production. It shows the efficiency of cost control. So now they're running like a full momentum machine in the factories, and they're just churning cars out. They're reducing costs and pushing up profit. That is what us investors like to hear. So well done to Elon Musk and Tesla. But however, they still need to deliver additional 200,000 vehicles. And will they do it? We would not know until the next time. Next part, I would like to go to the Graham's intrinsic calculator, because we've got our new EPS value just now. Let's see how much of the valuation is Tesla worth just now. As you can see, Tesla is a hyper-growth stock. It's hard to value the stock. So we have to sort of forecast with growth, forecast with what we can see. It will be 1.84. Okay, 1.84 is what they achieved for 2020, the whole entire year. As you can see, it's an 80% growth. As it stands, 80% growth is where we are just now. $450 is the valuation. So they have to achieve the 80% growth. They have to hit the 500,000 car target, and that's what Tesla will be worth, $450 per share. So we're sitting about 433, so it'll be creeping up to 450. And I think when it hits 450, it just goes sideways until new news that comes in 2021, new targets, new expectation, new gigafactory, new elements or new buy. Okay, let's go to the technical fundamentals. Okay, I am going to use stocksplit.io, who is my partnership for this video. I use it every single day for my analysis before I deliver information on my YouTube channel. So if you go on the dashboard for stocksplit.io, as you can see from the AI, artificial intelligence, it says fair growth potential. stable operation, same return as the market. The reason why it's saying that is because it's just reaching the right balance for the stock price. 420, 450, just the right balance with its forecast value, with its current value, with its activity in the market. So it's just showing that it is in the right place just now. And for the calm sentiment investor, which I look in very closely, is chalk-in money inflow has been on a negative, meaning in the last 20 days, more money has been going out than coming in. But with the reverse change, I think this will change. Simple moving average, it's still above. So short interest is low, relative straight index. So as you can see in this calm sentiment investment, so it's a good entry point, a good starter entry point if you want to buy Tesla at 422, 433. I don't expect anticipation because like I said, the value as where we are now at 420, 450 is the value for the target if Tesla hits 500,000 mark. So it's all been priced in, no surprises, and he just has to complete his marathon here. Now let's go to the technical fundamentals and see if they show anything different. So for the technical fundamental, if you go to this Yahoo Finance chart here, as you can see, the 50-day moving average is just on point. So it's coming right down to the 50-day moving average. So it shows that, it's fairly valued. So if you want to get in, it's a good starting point to get in. And also on the stochastic, it's slowly coming down. It's slowly coming down. I think it was anticipating for a bad earnings, but now it might show a bit of reversal going back up. And let's go next to the Fibonacci retracement tool. There is a very strong support line sitting at about 450. Okay, that's the ceiling that you can see, 450. I think that's where it's going from now until Christmas, or that's where it should be hovering. And if for any bizarre reason, if they miss the quarter, if they miss the 500,000 mark, it should drop the first level to about $416 per share, and if it does even badly for other external factors, then it should drop $350 per share. And again, like I said, very highly volatile, very sensitive to the data that's coming through. So if they 450 is where it's targeting to home, but not 410 will be where it's dropped, 416 and 350. So what will be my final thoughts? What are my final thoughts about Tesla? Is it buy? Like I said, Tesla is a stock that you should be buying long term. Tesla will be a $2 trillion company. Long term, for the next decade, it's easily justifiable that Tesla will be a $2 trillion company. When I say $2 trillion company, it'll be at least 4x. So it's still a 4x element as minimum from where we stand. So for you guys, Tesla should be something that you buy, you just keep it, because it's the only company that's not just focused on electric cars, but also the energy and storage sector for windmill, for solar panel. So the horizon is still bright for Tesla. We just need Elon Musk to achieve this target, and then he starts going into other details on how to expand the capability of the company. Producing cars, but the EV market is huge. So I will be investing in Tesla, I will be investing in the ETF for battery, and I will be investing in ETF in Taiwan, just to make sure I cover this ground for the future industrial revolution for transportation. So this is me on my channel today. I hope you liked. Please do give me a like and subscribe, and hope to see you in the next future video. And I want to hear your views, and leave a comment below on what you think.
Alright, before I say goodbye, please do like and subscribe on my YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook, and if you want, support me on Patreon as well, so I can produce content like this every single day for you guys, to give you guys value. So please do share this video to help us grow our YouTube channel, yeah? Yeah. Alright guys, 3, 2, 1, bye bye.